Welcome to Guide Up. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to delete chats on Character.AI. For that, make sure you have the application and you're logged into your account. Now you will be directly led to this kind of interface, and there you can see the option chats. And here you can see all the chats that you have. Recently, I only have one. Now to remove, all you need to do is tap on the conversation. Now here you will be finding all the conversations. Now, in order to delete it, all you need to do is tap on the profile icon at the top. And at the bottom, you can see the option remove messages. You can tap over there. Now here you can select all the messages that you want to delete. After you are done selecting the messages that you want to delete, there you can see the option delete selected messages at the bottom. You can tap over there. And this is how easily you can delete chats in Character.AI. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.